Officials have forcefully taken over her Mumbai office. All right, we are cutting across right now to Mumbai, where Rhea Chakraborty, after being questioned for 8 straight hours by the NCB on the second day, has just emerged out. She has been allowed to go off today, and she will, in fact, be called tomorrow again. She's right now in her car. The arrangements there much better than we saw the ugly scenes, to say the least, that we saw yesterday of the media hounding Rhea Chakraborty, mics flying all over, and the trouble that the police and she had to go through to go inside the NCB complex where she was being questioned. Today things are much better. Her car right now is moving out of the NCB office after being questioned for 8 hours. Going across to my colleague Mustafa Sheikh, who is joining us with more details on this. Mustafa, 8 hours of questioning over. Tomorrow she'll be called again. What have been the highlights? And if you can just tell our viewers what's happening around you, because today the arrangements seem to be better than yesterday.
To the arrangement first, on the left-hand side, here is where Rhea Chakraborty just left. Media mobbing happened. This place.
Media mobbing happened this place, NCB office. She went out. This is the entire area which is barricaded. Only police vehicles. You can see one more police vehicle is there. Only police vehicles are allowed in this area. The entire area is barricaded. Rhea Chakraborty has just left. Second day of questioning at NCB is over. We don't have official information whether she has been summoned or not. It's likely that she will be summoned for the third day with the NCB. But yes, things have not gone the way it was expected to be. Since day one, it was being said that she can be arrested in the narcotics case. Even she had released a statement saying that I am ready for the arrest. I am ready to meet the consequences, whatever is there. I am not applying for anticipatory bail. This was her statement through her lawyer. The barricading is still here. There are Souvik Chakraborty, Samuel Miranda and others on the 4th floor of the same building. There is a male lockup in which these people are under custody of NCB, and they are on the 4th floor of the same building. We are also having news that Rhea Chakraborty was confronted with Souvik Chakraborty this morning, and she got emotional. She has left. She is on her way to her house. We'll get an update whether she has been called for the third day of questioning or not. We are also waiting for the details from the NCB as to what came out from the second day, which is today, second day of the questioning. Back to you, Ankit.
Right, Mustafa. So what our viewers can see on their screens is a barricaded passage which was created for Rhea Chakraborty. Only police vehicles were allowed to, in fact, pass through that. So Rhea Chakraborty has left, and she's on her way to her residence after being questioned for 8 hours today by the Narcotics Control Bureau team. But Mustafa, a very important aspect in this case is going to be the remand of Souvik Chakraborty and others, which is going to end on September 9th, which is just day after. So if there has to be any coercive action against Rhea Chakraborty, that will have to be possibly before that, isn't it? Because they will want to show that Souvik Chakraborty and others have given them some significant leads, which have led to some sort of, coercive action against Rhea Chakraborty.
Well, there are two things here, Ankit. First, that yes, on 9th of September, when all the other accused who have been arrested in this case will be produced in the Sessions Court, in a special NDPS court, the Narcotics Control Bureau will have to show some new evidences which have come to light during and after the remand of these people, and so that if the NCB wants further interrogation, they'll have to show some improvement or some highlights in the case which have come out during the interrogation. The second important point is about Rhea Chakraborty's arrest. There are two things. We don't know why she has not been arrested, but we know that there are digital evidences and there are statements of accused saying that she was involved. The same kind of evidences are available against Souvik Chakraborty, against Samuel Miranda. Dipesh Sawant, in fact, just being a house help, he was just helping procurement of NDPS from narcotics, banned substances on instructions of the people who he was working for. Even he has been arrested. So the arrest rationale should not match with the evidences available in the case. We don't know when Rhea Chakraborty will be arrested, or she can be arrested or not, but what we know is that the case was registered and there was only one accused named in that case, which was Rhea Chakraborty and others. What happens further we'll have to know as the time passes. Back to you.
Yes, but Mustafa, the fact also remains that it's a very small quantity that we are talking about. The question also is that more or less everybody who has been questioned by the NCB has claimed that all these the marijuana and hash and everything was being procured for Sushant Singh Rajput itself. So more or less the NCB doesn't want a situation where they arrest Riya Chakrabarti on a bailable offence. At this moment, Mustafa, what are the strong grounds that they have against Riya Chakrabarti and her brother Shouvik Chakrabarti? Because at least going by what is in public domain, there doesn't seem to be a very big case against them.
Yes, as I proceed, I'll just like to mention that there can be a NCB briefing just in a few moments. As far as the case is concerned, you are right that there is not much of seizure which has happened in the entire case of this narcotics. It's only 69 grams of marijuana. This is what we have been told, that that's the only seizure which has happened, and that too with the first two accused it happened, not with the last 6 accused, including Samuel Miranda, be it Basit, be it Zed, be it Shouvik Chakrabarti. All these people, no drugs was seized from there. They have been only arrested based on the electronic evidences, which is the WhatsApp chat and statements in which each of them implicated each other. Like Zed implicated Shouvik Chakrabarti, then Shouvik Chakrabarti named somebody else. Samuel Miranda named Dipesh Sawant. He was arrested. Dipesh Sawant has named Riya Chakrabarti. So these are the premise on which the entire case is dealing, and hence there are some legal experts who are warning that this case will not sustain the proof of law when it goes to court, because it entirely depends on how much drugs and narcotics which is seized during which the seizure happens. In this case, there was no seizure. In fact, there is no drug test done on any of the accused who has been arrested. So we'll have to wait. We'll have to give fair amount of time for NCB, which is also a professional agency, to investigate and to come out with whatever watertight case they could. And be it Riya Chakrabarti or anybody else, because they've also claimed that they want to investigate the drug citadel in Bollywood. So how far will the NCB go? Will they call other Bollywood celebrities? Will they call other drug peddlers for questioning? Will they be able to locate the people who are supplying drugs in India, in Mumbai, in Maharashtra? This is all our questions, queries which we have as of now. We'll have to wait for the investigation to conclude. Back to you.
Okay, Mustafa, may I request you to stay on with me? There has been few revelations that Riya Chakrabarti has so far made in her questioning by the NCB, and we would like our viewers, in fact, we'd like to take our viewers to what we know so far from our sources within the Narcotics Control Bureau. India Today has learned and accessed a mega scoop from Riya's day one of grilling. Remember, day before, when she was questioned for about 6 hours after those ugly scenes were seen outside the NCB interrogation, in fact, NCB office. In a stunning revelation, Riya informed NCB officials that Sushant Singh Rajput was hooked on to ganja in 2016 during the shooting of his movie Kedarnath. Sources also say that Riya has claimed that it was Sushant who got her to type WhatsApp messages for drugs. She further claims Sushant used to ensure delivery to staff and payment through his staff as well. Mustafa, one question that a lot of people would be asking is that while Riya Chakrabarti and Shouvik Chakrabarti are being questioned, there are, Shouvik Chakrabarti is also under arrest for the fact that, they were consuming these drugs. The questions are now leading to Sushant Singh Rajput, who in all these, in fact, chats, and everybody has claimed these drugs were being procured for him, and he was heavily using marijuana.
Well, yes, that is one part of investigation which comes in light if you look at different investigations, be it Riya Chakrabarti's interview to India Today, be it Dipesh Sawant, who is the house help. He has also said that when he joined in September 2018, he himself saw Sushant Singh Rajput smoking up. But that fact aside, what the NCB is trying to establish at this point of time is that some way or the other, Shouvik and Riya were facilitators of this narcotic substances, if not consuming themselves. Now what they're trying to make out of all of this is that if a person who had mental illness background was being given narcotics or was being helped in procuring narcotics, whether that leads to some negligence in this person taking drastic steps, or whether it really puts him in a stage, it's a homicide kind of a thing. So these are the lines on which the NCB is investigating. But remember, there is a hurdle there.
Okay.
Forensics from Kalina said that there was no poison or other substances found in the Visar report. Back to you, Ankit.
Okay, Mustafa, stay on with me. In fact, Riya Chakrabarti, another development today in this case has been the sensational charge that Riya Chakrabarti has made against Sushant Singh Rajput's sister and a doctor at the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital in the national capital. It's now all out Riya Chakrabarti versus Sushant Singh Rajput's sisters. Riya has lodged a complaint with the police, Mumbai police, against Sushant's sister Priyanka Singh. Now, in her complaint, Riya Chakrabarti says Sushant was diagnosed bipolar patient. Despite that, her sister prescribed him medicine without holding any medical degree. Not only her, in her complaint, she has also named Dr. Tarun Kumar of Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, alleging that he prescribed medicines under Narcotics Act without any consultation and prescribed them electronically, which is deemed illegal in the Telemedicine Act. Mustafa, now this is also another big aspect of this case, and remember this was on the backdrop of the breaking that India Today, exclusive details that India Today has had access after the allegations of not only her sister knowing about Sushant Singh Rajput's condition on 8th of June, but also procuring and getting him a prescription for certain medicines. What is the Mumbai police going to do about this? Are they registering an FIR?
Well, Ankit, the timing of this complaint is really questionable on a day when she herself, Riya Chakrabarti, was being questioned at the NCB office. Her lawyer has passed on this complaint letter. Second thing, if you remember the Supreme Court judgment which passed on this case investigation forming an SIT to the CBI, it clearly said that all future affairs relating to these cases will be transferred to CBI eventually. So if Mumbai police registers an FIR, in all possibilities could be transferred to the CBI. The third important point is that if a complaint is given, Mumbai police will consider the merits of this case, will do a preliminary inquiry. If they feel that there is enough evidences in the allegations made out in the complaint by Riya Chakrabarti, they may register an FIR. We'll have to wait and see what Mumbai police says. Maybe a day or two, they'll come up with a response back to you.
I also want to understand from you, Mustafa, are there going to be other, personalities from Bollywood who are going to be questioned in the Narcotics Control Bureau investigation? Because sources are telling us that there have been both Shovik and other people, those who have been arrested along with Riya Chakrabarti, they have named a few other people connected to Bollywood.
Yes, of course, in all likelihood, Ankit, if the CBI, if the NCB wants to further their net of investigation, they may call a few Bollywood celebrities, more drug peddlers related to this case, which there is allegation that they supplied narcotics. But we have to wait and see, because as of now, the limits of NCB case seems to be something which are some case drug dealing which are relating to Riya Chakrabarti and eventually leading to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. That has been the arena as of now with the NCB. Are they widening that net? We'll have to wait and see, because if the claim is about Bollywood drug citadel, that one may be sure that there can be more names which could prop up if the NCB wants to investigate in detail. Back to you.
All right, so as we speak, Riya Chakrabarti is on her way back to her residence after being questioned for 8 hours on day two of her questioning by the Narcotics Control Bureau regarding few WhatsApp chats between herself and her brother Shovik Chakrabarti, all around, in fact, smoking of marijuana and procuring of marijuana, which she claims to have only been done for Sushant Singh Rajput, in fact. So at this point of time, as Riya Chakrabarti is on her way, in fact, to her residence, we just wanted to simplify things for our viewers, because there are 3 agencies, those who are right now, in fact, involved in this investigation. Over 80 days investigation by the CBI, which is mainly looking at the circumstances in which Sushant Singh Rajput died. Another investigation by the NCB, where Riya Chakraborty has already been questioned twice. Her brother has been arrested. And there is a third investigation being conducted by the Enforcement Directorate in the allegations of siphoning of 15 crore rupees, money laundering and other charges made by the family against Riya Chakraborty. Where are these investigations? What are the stages where they stand?